Okay everyone, welcome back to Fox Tech, and today I'm going to show you how you can take photos with a blurred background on your iPad. This effect, often called the portrait mode or bokeh effect even, can really make your subject stand out by blurring the background, giving your photos a little bit more professional look. So as you might know, portrait photos became popular with the release of the iPhone X, which required dual lens setup for the photo to have blurred background. But as you know, then the iPhone XR managed to do it with just one lens, meaning that it was also possible to do it with software. So by this I want to say that it does not matter if your iPad has one or dual lens camera setup. First, it's important to know that not all iPad models support portrait mode. For instance, on my iPad Pro, that's the one with the M1 chip, you can take portrait photos with a blurred background, but this feature is only available with the front-facing camera for some reason. When I switch the rear camera and select portrait mode, it automatically switches back to the front-facing camera. So if your iPad model supports this feature, you can easily use the front-facing camera to take these nice portrait shots. Once you are in the portrait mode, you can play around with the settings to get the perfect shot, and because of course the background is going to be blurred automatically, making the subject, probably you, stand out. But what if your iPad does not support it, or if you prefer using the rear camera? Now don't worry, there are a couple of workarounds you can try. One way is to bring your subject very close to the lens while keeping the background at a distance. This technique, when taking a photo, often results in a naturally blurred background due to the shallow depth of field. Another great option is to use some kind of third-party apps available on the App Store. Apps like Snapseed or even Lightroom could easily get the job done because they are very powerful editing tools. Using these, you can blur out the background if you want, or do some other different things depending on what your preference is. So you know how it works, you know the preferences that you have, so yes, you can check it out if you have the portrait capabilities available, and if not, go ahead and play around with some third-party apps to get the bokeh or blur effect. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I will catch you in the future. Peace out until then.